Philip is working in the laboratory of machine tools and product engineering at the University of Aachen, which enjoys a high reputation in the science field. So Philip, you also have developed a new solution in combination with ultra-wideband and tools. What is this all about?
Good morning, Daniel. Exactly. Together with TRUMPF, we developed an asset tracking platform for this so-called slat cleaner. The TRUMPF TruTool TSC 100 is used for cleaning slat on laser cutting machines and is therefore quite often used in highly automated industrial facility. TRUMPF is always looking for ways to improve its products. The Omlox technology helped us to realize two new major benefits. First, the built-in UWB transceiver is used for an exact indoor positioner, which helps to reduce the preparation time due to an unknown tool location. Second, a sensor box is designed to trace the tool consumption. That's the perfect basis for the prediction of maintenance intervals.
So customers really get a nice transparency about their tools and also have a chance to increase the availability of the tool itself?
Exactly, especially if you combine these two topics, real-time localization and telemetry data. This makes the power tool much more efficient. Your asset management will be on a complete new level. You never need to search for your tool anymore. You know exactly where it is, and if it's used at the moment, you can probably plan your maintenance activity. The best thing is that the tracking tool, which is now implemented in this slat cleaner, can easily adapt it to other power tools or assets which you are using in your factory. The control of your factory will be much more simplified.
Okay, thank you very much for being here today, Philip.
Thank you, Daniel.